Once upon a time on a farm there was a little girl and her name was Lily. And Lily loved all of the animals on the farm, but her very favorite animal was the chicken. And her favorite chicken was a speckled hen. She had brown feathers and white feathers and black feathers, and they were all mixed together in a beautiful pattern. And he was kinda off by himself, and he wasn't making noise with all of the other chicks. You need some breakfast? That's what you need. So Lily got up, and she went into the farmhouse, and she got some grain, and she brought it out to the little rooster. And Lily had a big smile on her face, and she said, "You crowed, little rooster. You learned how to crow." And the little rooster said, "Yes, I did, Lily. And it's all because of the delicious grain that you brought me." And Lily said, "Well, you're welcome. But now I have to go and play with the other animals on the farm." So Lily waved goodbye to the little rooster and she went off to play. And she said, "Here, you need to eat this, little rooster, and then you'll be big enough to crow. I'm so glad that I learned how to crow before the sun goes down. Then I can impress all of the hens with my beautiful crow." And so the little rooster stood up on his branch, and he puffed out his chest, and he practiced his crowing. And it was the happiest day of his life. So the little rooster ate and ate and ate. He ate all of the grain that Lily brought him. And so Lily went over and she sat down beside the little chick. And she said, "Little chick, why aren't you making noise with all of the other chicks?" And the little chick looked up at Lily and he said, "Well, I'm not really a chick. I'm actually a handsome young rooster, and I want to crow, but I cooey and seem to figure out how to make my voice bigger. So I can crow like a big rooster." And Lily loved to pet her, and she loved to give her treats. Now, every morning when the sun came up, Lily would get up and she would go out into the farmyard and she would look for her favorite chicken. And one day, while Lily was feeding the chickens, she heard one little chick, and Lily thought about this for just a second, and she said, "Well, I know what you need, but come find me again later so I can hear you crow." So the little rooster watched as Lily skipped down the path, and she went to play with the other animals on the farm. And the little rooster looked up at the sky, and he took a deep breath, and he thought to himself, "I think I'm ready now to crow." So he stood up on his little branch, and he said, "Cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo." And the rooster crowed and crowed and crowed. He crowed louder and louder and louder. And he was so happy because he finally knew how to crow. Then Lily started to walk away, and she said, "Well, it's time for me to go now." Then the little rooster heard some footsteps coming, and he looked down and he saw that it was Lily. And the little rooster watched her go, and he thought to himself, and that's how our story ends, my friends. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with those you love. See you soon in a new story.